Hi everyone, this is Pretty from Cutie Casa. As you can see, I'm now in our factory. And this is a sofa just finished. As you can see, this is a white one. And it's very soft because it's used of genuine leather. Oh, so it's so comfortable. As you can see, the armrest is also very nice for you to put your hand in it. And it's a 3-seater, so you can share it with your family. And the pillows here are also very comfortable. When you watch the TV, you can harm it and it's good for you. And it's of good design. As you can see, the lines here are very perfect and liquid here. And the cushion here is also very comfortable and cozy. So as you can see, our products are high quality. So if you want to choose a furniture, please choose us. So this is Cutie Casa, a luxury home furniture manufacturer. If you want to choose the furniture, please choose us.